If you're seeing Epic Games error code 30014, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error is usually caused by corrupted, easy anti-cheat files, permission issues, or security software blocking the game from launching properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling the entire game. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming fixes, and let's get straight into it. The first and easiest thing to do is verify your game files inside the Epic Games launcher. Open the launcher and head over to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, then click the three dots next to it and choose Manage. From there, click Verify. Epic Games will now scan the installation and check for missing or corrupted files. If any easy anti-cheat files are broken, this process can repair them automatically. This is usually the best first step because it's quick, safe, and often solves the problem right away. If the error is still there after verifying the files, the next step is to repair easy anti-cheat directly. To do this, go to the game's installation folder on your PC. Inside that folder, look for the file called easyanticheat_setup.exe. Once you find it, right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. This opens the Easy Anti-Cheat installer with the proper permissions. In the setup window, select the repair option if it appears, or simply let it reinstall the service components. Since error code 30014 is often tied to EAC, repairing it manually can make a big difference. Now let's move on to another very important fix, running Epic Games as an administrator. Sometimes the launcher or the anti-cheat service cannot access the files it needs because Windows is blocking permission. To fix that, right-click the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. If that solves the issue, you may want to make it permanent by adjusting the shortcut properties later. This simple step gives the launcher elevated permissions and can help the game start correctly. If you still can't launch the game, the next thing to try is temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall. Some security tools can mistakenly block easy anti-cheat or stop the Epic launcher from connecting properly. Before doing this, make sure to close the game and save anything important. Then temporarily turn off your antivirus protection and firewall, launch the game again, and see if the error disappears. If it does, you can add Epic Games and Easy Anti-Cheat to the exception list instead of leaving your protection turned off. That way, you keep your system safe while preventing the error from coming back. Another thing that can help is restarting your computer after making these changes. A full restart clears temporary conflicts and gives Windows a chance to reload services correctly. After the restart, open Epic Games again and test the game one more time. If the error is gone, then one of those fixes worked and you're ready to play. If none of these steps fix error code 30014 on the first try, go back and repeat the verification and easy anti-cheat repair one more time, because sometimes the launcher needs a fresh repair after Windows updates or security changes. In most cases though, the problem is solved with one of these methods. So to recap, first verify your game files in Epic Games Launcher, then repair easy anti-cheat using the setup file, run the launcher as administrator, and temporarily disable antivirus or firewall software if needed. These are the most effective fixes for Epic Games error code 30014. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more PC and gaming troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.